So you're self-isolating. You are in quarantine. Have a listen to this broadcast. We'll talk about how you can feel freer during quarantine. Let's get to it.
You've heard of unconditional love, but have you heard of the secret to unconditional happiness and allowing more into your life? More wealth, more success, and more love. More freedom in your life right now. Welcome to the Happy Bar with Israel Savage.
I'm doing really well during this coronavirus situation. I think because I feel more free right now than I ever have in the past 5 years, because I'm just home and I do whatever I want, whenever I want to do it. And I have no obligations. Well, I have a few obligations, but I feel very free despite being physically locked in my restrained in my apartment. I mean, by choice, but you know, like we have more restraints on us now than ever because of the situation. But actually I'm finding freedom. And I just thought it was interesting that it's so counterintuitive. Like I could focus on, I can't leave my apartment. I can't leave. But actually I'm like, oh, like, look at all this things I can do. And so I just thought it was interesting how there's like a flip side for every, like you can find what you're looking for, even when it seems like the ultimate opposite is true.
I think that's brilliant. And I think what you're also illuminating is there are many prisons, but only one jailer. And the only person who can truly jail us is obviously ourselves. And so you've proven that you're restricted to your home, but you've set yourself free.
So I'm going to look for freedom in this project that seems maybe restrictive to me.
And also know that at any moment you can make a choice. You're never trapped or locked into continuing with this project. If at any moment you can make a different choice. And so the fun part for you will be when you're no longer confined to your apartment, maintaining that freedom for yourself and really maintaining that freedom for yourself. Freedom really is in your mind. That's why so many people who are incarcerated really, really find themselves and set themselves free in such an amazing way. If anything in this episode resonated with you, take a moment to subscribe and then share it with just one person. It's our mission to make the world a happier place, one insight, one shift, one share at the time. Just one button click from you might be the very thing that helps someone else's life click into place. Until next time. Remember, if you'd like more tips on this topic, then go to the link posted in the description of this broadcast.